In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter on your Hyundai Sonata. Let's get started. Open the glove box. On the right side of the glove box, you'll find a plunger. We're going to push this off of that tab, just like that. On the inside of the glove box, you'll find two of these tabs. Turn them, twist them, and remove them. When you have both removed, the glove box will fall down. Behind the glove box, you're going to find a little door. There's going to be tabs on the right-hand side that we're going to pinch. Pinch those tabs and pull it out, and you can remove the door. Reach in and grab your cabin air filter and remove it. If there's any debris on the top, try not to let it fall into the blower box. You can end up with a funny noise. Install the new cabin air filter. On the left side of our door, we're going to have this tab. We're going to put this tab in and then hinge it down on itself. Click it into place. Lift the glove box up. Install the plunger onto the right side. Be sure it clips on. We're going to push the glove box up slightly and install our knobs. Get it lined up, seated square, and then twist it and lock it into position. Close the glove box, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.